Hi children, now we are going to see about Hyderabad. So Hyderabad is the joint capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So previously we had a state called Andhra Pradesh. Now Andhra Pradesh is being divided into two, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. So now as far as now Andhra Pradesh and Telangana both holds the capital. Hyderabad holds the capital of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. It is famous for its history and the culture. History means the past happenings which happened in the past decades. It also has a twin city called named Secunderabad, which when you pronounce Secunderabad and Hyderabad, it sounds the same. So it holds the twin city name called the Secunderabad. Now we'll see the climate of the Hyderabad. Hyderabad will be hot in summer. As in Tamil Nadu, Hyderabad will also remain hot during the summer. When it is winter, it will be pleasant. There you cannot see heavy rainfall in Hyderabad as we experience here also, but the winter of the Hyderabad will be really present. As for Bengaluru, same as Bengaluru and Tamil Nadu, southwest monsoon bring rainfall to the Hyderabad. So the interesting places of Hyderabad are Charminar, Golconda Fort and Hussain Sagar Lake. So Charminar is really a important landmark of Hyderabad. It has four minarets. So minarets is nothing but the dome which you can see in the picture here. The dome which is shown here. You can see right where I am pointing. So it has four domes at top. And there is a beautiful petal. You can see here right petals. So there are beautiful petal like designs on the base. Next is the Golconda Fort. So Golconda Fort is like a fort which is being occupied by British or the rulers in the past decades. The next one is the Hussain Sagar Lake. So this lake was built in the year of 1562 and you can see a statue of Gautama Buddha in the middle of the lake. So this place can be used as a boating where the people will use the boating to reach the place of Buddha and they can come back in the boat to the roads. The other interesting places in the Hyderabad is Qutub Shahi Tombs, Falguna Palace and Salar Jung Museum. So these are the ancient places which has been built by the rulers many years ago. And in the Salar Jung Museum, you can see many items on display such as the jeweled swords. For example, the sword which is made up of diamond, which is made up of gold, and also you can see many paintings, clocks, ancient clocks and puppets in the Salar Jung Museum. Now we are going to see about the languages which is being spoken in the Hyderabad. So the main language which is being used for converse is the Telugu. So those people who lives in Andhra Pradesh will converse in Telugu. Apart from Telugu, they converse more in Urdu and Hindi. So English is the third medium of the language which is used in the Andhra Pradesh. When it comes to food, Hyderabad is very famous for the Hyderabadi biryani, which will be very spicy. And when it comes to sweet, double ka meta is the sweet which is made by bread, and next one is the other sweet which is being done is the kubani ka meta, which is made by the apricot, which is made by apricots. As far as all state concerned, national festival will be the same, Republic Day, Independence Day and the Gandhi Jayanti. When it comes to religious festival, they also will celebrate Diwali, Christmas, Eid, Shankranti, and you have one more called the Yugadi. See, we have Tamil New Year Day here in Tamil Nadu, right, where we will celebrate during the month of April. Likewise, they have a Telugu New Year Day called the Yugadi. Yugadi is the New Year which is being celebrated in the Hyderabad. Thank you, children. Now you have learned about the interesting places of Hyderabad and the foods which are available, the climate in the Hyderabad. So we will see many interesting informations about the other states as well.